way out in Indiana. In that little inn I tumbled into love. Oh, I just went in to dine, but when her eyes met mine, I forgot what I was thinking of. And it didn't take us long to get acquainted, and it didn't take her long my heart to win. There's a newly married couple by the Wabash, way out in that little Indiana inn. Yo-de-day, hi-de-o-day, oh-de-day. I was driving all along the highway in the shelter of a friendly sycamore, when I spied the quietest inn by the highway. There I stopped and I'll be glad forevermore. In a little inn way out in Indiana, in that little inn I tumbled into love. Like the chickens and the cow, I'm so domestic now, washing dishes with my turtle dove. After dark you'll find us swinging in the hammock, but at 10 the crickets find us turning in. There's a little welcome stranger crying mama, way out in that little Indiana inn. Yo-de-day, happy-o-day, oh-de-day. There's a newly married couple by the Wabash, way out in that little Indiana inn. Yo-de-day, happy-o-day, oh-de-day. Oh-ho-lady, 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 oh-ho-lady. There's a little welcome stranger crying mama, way out in that little Indiana inn.